Friends, welcome to the Knowledge Formation channel. I, Sheikh Muhammad Sabauddin, a teacher as well as a student of physics. Today I am going to take online class and today's topic is element, compound and mixture, which is class 6 level chapter. So this is part 1 of the video, and in this part 1 we will discuss 3 topics: metals and non-metals, pure substance and mixture, element and compound. And the next 3 topics will be discussed in part 2 of this video. So let's start. So the first topic is metals and non-metals. Let us first know matter can be found in different states: solid, liquid and gas. Let us see some examples. We can see here the solid form of water. Here it is ice, and water is in the glass, it is liquid, and when it is boiled then it will be in the form of gas. So solid, liquid, gas is seen in this example. We can see here some more examples of solid, liquid and gas. Now let us see the difference between the characteristics of metal and non-metal by the help of some experiments, some examples. If we drop a 1 rupee coin and a charcoal parallelly, we will see that when coin will hit the ground, it will produce a sound, dong sound. But charcoal on falling to the ground, it will not produce a sound, and also the coin will remain intact, but charcoal will break into pieces. So this is the characteristic of metal, that it will produce sound, and non-metal do not produce so much sound. Similarly, we can see here that the two nails are here and a bulb is connected with a switch and current is given. When the switch is on, we can see that the bulb is glowing. This is nail, this is metal, and again here instead of nail there is a charcoal, and we see that when the switch is on, the bulb is off, so no current is flowing. That means nail, which is metal, is good conductor of electricity, but non-metal, that is charcoal, is bad conductor of electricity. Again we can see here a spoon which is made of steel. When it is placed in fire, it will get heated, गर्म हो जाएगा. So it is a good conductor of heat. It will be difficult to catch. हम लोग को चम्मच पकड़ना असुविधा हो जाएगा. And when the spoon connected with plastic handle, এখানে একটা plastic handle আছে, when it is taken in front of fire, then we can hold it easily because the plastic will not get heated. Plastic गर्म नहीं होगा because plastic is a non-metal and it is a bad conductor of heat. So metal is a good conductor of heat and non-metal is a bad conductor of heat. Again we can perform one more experiment. If we keep a iron or copper or aluminum or brass, means any metallic substance in front of sun, it will get heated and it will also shine, चमकता है वो. But if we place a non-metal like charcoal or plastic, then it will not shine and it will not reflect light. So this is the difference between metal and non-metal. Metal will shine, non-metal will not shine. We can see in this picture some metals are there. So copper looks like this. This is steel, this is bronze, this is brass, this is aluminum, this is cast iron. And non-metal look like this. This is sulfur which is present in firecracker, जो firecracker में रहता है. Oxygen gas and carbon is present in almost everything, animals, man, trees, and this is bromine liquid. These are examples of non-metal. So what we see that the metals shine in light, it produces sonorous dong sound when hit with a solid object, and metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of good heat and electricity. Thin pieces of metal can easily be bent. मेटल को मोड़ा जा सकता है, but non-metals, it will be, when it is heated, non-metal, it will turn into powder. वो powder हो जाएगा. If hammered, they can be turned into sheets. तो मेटल को हम लोग हथौड़ी से मार के उसको पतला बिस्किट जैसा बना सकते हैं, পাতলা করতে পারি. কিন্তু non-metals গুলো এগুলো গুঁড়ো হয়ে যাবে. It will become powder. The non-metals will become powder on hammering. And some more things, we can see that. So iron, copper, aluminum are metals, while charcoal non-metal. Usually metals are solid, but one is mercury is the exception. Mercury at room temperature it is liquid. Mercury you can see it is present in thermometer. Thermometer में रहता है mercury. So it is liquid at room temperature. So this is the only solid which is liquid at room temperature. Again, non-metals can be solid, liquid and gas. Exception is graphite. Graphite is a non-metal, but it is a good conductor of electricity. All non-metals are bad conductor, but graphite, it is non-metal but good conductor. Similarly, diamond is non-metal, but it is a good conductor of heat. Other non-metals are bad conductor. Only diamond, being a non-metal, it is a good conductor of heat. Now let us come to the second topic, pure substance and mixture. What do you mean by pure substance and what do you mean by mixture? A mixture is a substance that is made by mixing more than one substance, by mixing substance together. For example, air, milk, these are example of mixtures. Why? We know that air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, moisture, so air is a mixture. And what we see that milk on boiling, it will give water, so as vapor, water as vapor, so milk contains water, so milk is also a mixture. So air and milk are examples of mixture. Now what do you mean? Pure substance, the substance which contain only one type of substance, एक type का substance रहता है, एक रकमेर substance থাকবে, are called pure substance. Like iron, water, जैसे पानी हुआ, लोहा हुआ, these are all pure substance. Now let us discuss the third topic, today's last topic, element and compound. We can see the definition. An element is a material that consists of a single type of atom. एक type का सिर्फ atom रहता है. Example, iron, hydrogen, oxygen. Only one type of atom is present, element. And compound consists of two or more types of elements bonded together, like water, carbon dioxide. So we can see in this picture, in element, there is only green type of atom is there, so one type of there, and in compound it is a mixture of green and purple color, so it is a compound. So in an element only one type of atom is present, in compound two or three type of compound may be present. One more picture we can see that in element like this you can see only one type of red color atom is present. In compound with red, every red there is one blue color bonded together, bonding किया हुआ है. So this is the example of pure substance. This is element and compound. Here also in this picture we can see these are all elements. In element C, here is hydrogen is only present, here only oxygen is present, here Cl. But in case of compound, you can see that more than one type of element is there. Here is hydrogen and this is actually water. In water there are two hydrogen molecule and one oxygen molecule. Similarly, hydrogen chloride, one hydrogen is there, it is bonded with one chlorine. ये hydrogen and chlorine bonding बन करके hydrogen chloride बनता है. So these are example of compound and these are example of element. Now let us come to the definition of molecule. What is molecule? A molecule is defined as two or more atoms of the same element or different element that are bound together. So molecule, there may be two or more type of atoms, not single atom, two or more type of atoms of same element, एक ही type का element का और different element. Like you can see in this oxygen there is two molecule O and O, two atom connected, bounded, so it is oxygen molecule. So it is only one type of atom are there and same element, and here we can see that different elements are there. So two hydrogen element and one oxygen, so it is water. So this is oxygen molecule, so molecule of an element, and this is molecule of a compound. So in this picture these are all elements, hydrogen element, oxygen element. So these two atoms combine to form hydrogen molecule, this is oxygen molecule, chlorine molecule, and in this compound there is more than one element. See, two hydrogen element is there and one oxygen element, so 3 are bonded to form a water molecule. So molecule of a compound, so compound means more than one type of element is here, and here in hydrogen chloride H is one atom and chlorine is another atom, so two atoms of different type combine to form molecule of compound. Now let us see what are the elements present in some compounds. In water we can see hydrogen and oxygen is present, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, sugar, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, salt, sodium and chlorine, quicklime, calcium and oxygen. So these elements are present in this compound. So these all are type of compounds in this type of elements are present. Now let us see some questions are here up to question number 15. If you solve these questions, then the concept of this chapter will be more clear. So solve these questions, it will clear your concept. So subscribe the channel Knowledge Formation so that the next video when it will be uploaded you can see that video, and in comment section you can ask your questions and queries. So thank you. After some days part 2 of this video will also be uploaded, so please wait for the next video.